JavaScript has come a long way, but let me ask you something. Are you still writing JavaScript like it's 2015? If yes, my friend, it's time for an upgrade. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the evolution of JavaScript, what ES6 Plus really is, and why learning it will make your life as a developer so much easier. If you are a JavaScript developer or aspiring to be one, you need to watch this till the end. Let's get started.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stats. New hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks, Jackie Chan.
Just imagine this. It's 1995, the internet is new, and Netscape hires Brandon to create a scripting language in just 10 days. That's how JavaScript was born. The JavaScript was born in just 10 days. Fast forward to 2009, JavaScript was everywhere, but it was getting outdated. The syntax was messy, the features were limited, and developers were craving something better. Then in 2015, ES6 arrived and boom, JavaScript was reborn. Since then, we've had ES7, ES8, ES9, and so on, and together we call the new updates ES6 Plus. Alright, let's be real. Why should you even care about ES6 Plus? Let me give you three big reasons. The first reason is clean and readable code. Say goodbye to long, ugly function declaration. Way more cleaner, right? And the second reason is its powerful features. ES6 Plus introduced game-changing features like uh, destructuring, promises, async await, template literals, and much more. Reason 3 and last reason is modern web development needs ES6 Plus. Frameworks just like React.js, Vue.js, and Angular heavily rely on ES6 Plus features. If you are not using ES6 Plus, you are falling behind. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll go through all these features in upcoming videos. Now that you understand what ES6 Plus is and why it's important, it's time to start using it. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up your environment for ES6 Plus and start coding like a pro. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite ES6 Plus feature so far? Let's discuss. Alright, that's a wrap up. Keep coding, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.